Hello, I am Sonic. Welcome to part 3 of Morse code lesson. Let us continue.
Variations of I.
With grave accent. With acute accent. With circumflex. With diaeresis. With macron. Next, variations of n. With tilde. Next, variations of o. With grave accent. With acute accent. With circumflex. With diaeresis. With tilde. Here's O stroke as well as CH, having 4 dashes. With macron. Now, OE. Next, variations of S. Here's German letter SS. With Karen. Next, variations of T. Here's Icelandic letter thorn. Next, variations of U. With grave accent. With acute accent. With circumflex. With diaeresis. With macron. Next, variations of Y. With acute accent. With diaeresis. And finally, variations of Z. With Karen. In part 1, there are 26 letters from A to Z. In part 2 and 3, with 41 accents, we get 67 possible ways. Stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe now.